Uncover real consumer preferences by split testing two versions of a product or image with our dual comparison poll. To get started, go to Poll Types and select Create Poll for the dual comparison poll. First, name your poll. Then, write or generate a shopping situation with our AI to get contextual and meaningful feedback. Fill in the question you want to ask respondents about the products or images presented. Next, add the poll items. To add products, select Marketplace Simulation, choose the marketplace and country, and provide the ASIN. To add images, select Product Image Only and upload the images from your device. Identify your target audience. Use our Premium Target Audience for detailed segmentation or the Basic Audience for broader targeting. Set the number of respondents. We recommend at least 60 for clear insights. Fewer provides a snapshot, while more responses give clarity. Hit the poll price button, choose Pay with Credit Card or Pay with Wallet, and click Checkout to launch your poll. We're now gathering responses from real consumers. Results will be ready in just a few hours with the basic audience and might take a day with the premium audience. Check out the poll results. The first section shows poll details. Quickly see which poll item won in overall results. Dive deep into detailed feedback in poll insights. Use the filtering options to find what you're looking for quickly. Situation insights reveal what respondents found most important in the situation you provided before seeing any poll items. The AI Summary tab gives you a quick overview of key feedback with actionable recommendations to improve your product. Ready to gain valuable consumer insights? Launch the dual comparison poll today.